My hair is currently past my tailbone length and I started growing it out on August 5th, 2016. I actually started caring for my hair in 2018 when I experienced a serious hair plateau. Hair plateau is when your hair refuses to grow past a certain length. The hardest part of your hair growth journey is choosing hair products that work for you. And people end up selling different products to you
and you end up buying them.
and they don't work for you. In this video, I'll be mentioning hair products and their uses so you know the hair products to buy to help your hair growth. So the first thing is prepoo. On Monday, I went to the market. I went to the market with my mom.
Why'd you have to go and set the bar so high? It's 2020 when nobody starts across and way, and we can blame it on the guys who talk.
To get hair products. I did not really need to get hair products because the only product I did not have and I wanted to get from the market or supermarket was a deep conditioner because I did not have any deep conditioner at home. I usually get my hair products from Next, but Next got burnt. Like, I was so down when I found out that Next got burnt. But anyway, I went to the market, not the supermarket, to get the deep conditioner, which I'll talk about soon. A big shout out to the Organics. They sent me this. This video is not sponsored. Everything I am saying is based on what I know. Your prepoo is what you apply to your hair before you shampoo your hair to retain moisture in your hair, because by the time you apply your shampoo to your shampoo is washing off dirt and stripping your hair of oils and moisture. So your shampoo will leave your hair dry. Your shampoo is like soap that will lather. Your prepoo is the treatment you apply before your shampoo to keep moisture. Shampoos. This is African black soap. We have two types of shampoo. We have clarifying shampoo and we have moisturizing shampoo. This is a moisturizing shampoo. A moisturizing shampoo is a shampoo that retains moisture and is not so harsh on your scalp. You can use a moisturizing shampoo if your scalp doesn't get dirty. I recommend a moisturizing shampoo for people that are high porosity. A clarifying shampoo is when your scalp is very dirty and you need to clean it from gunk. A conditioner. This is a conditioner. A conditioner usually comes hand in hand with your shampoo. Your conditioner is what you apply to your hair after you shampoo your hair. It is different from your deep conditioner, but you can make your conditioner a deep conditioner by wrapping your hair with a shower cap and leaving it on for more than 15 minutes. Then you wash it out. I forgot to mention a co-wash. You can use your co-wash to wash your hair. That's using a conditioner to wash your hair, and that's only if your scalp is not that dirty. I personally don't like co-washing because my hair is low porosity. The difference between your conditioner and your shampoo is that you're not applying your shampoo to your strands, except your hair strands are very dirty, but your conditioner you're applying to your hair strands, not your scalp, to retain moisture. You usually see them come hand in hand with the shampoo you buy. If you don't have a conditioner, you can use your deep conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, or milk, or pudding, or styling cream, whatever they call it. All those terminologies, they are just referring to products you keep on your hair when you want to style your hair to retain moisture and avoid breakage. Leave-in conditioner is just meant to keep moisture in your hair so you can section your hair and manage your hair. But a styling coiling pudding or coiling milk is for enhancing your curl pattern or your texture. This is a coiling cream or a styling cream. This is to enhance your coils. Also, you want to carry a wash and go, you want to carry your hair in a fro and a twist out. You can also have some people that will call it coiling custard. Consistency of custard is thicker than the cream. You have to choose based on your hair porosity.
I am not recommending any brand to you.
Like I said, this video is not sponsored. Everything I am recommending is just based on what I've used or will use. The products which I went to the market to go and buy. This is my first time getting one of these Mamiya Organics. I've not even used the deep conditioner on my hair. A deep conditioner or mayonnaise or hair mask, whatever you want to call it, is a treatment you apply to your hair to keep your hair even more moisturized. After you apply your shampoo, then conditioner, you apply your deep conditioner to your hair. It's not a necessary part for me because I'm low porosity. I run away from too much protein. It's not every time I deep condition, but if you are high porosity, it will be good to deep condition like almost every wash day. You can make your own hair masks or deep conditioning masks at home. All the products I'm mentioning, all of them will be linked in the description box. So the next thing is gel. Your styling gel for your wash and go. Like my ring light just went off. You could use Eco Styler gel, shine and jam. That's when you want to braid your hair or if you want to style your hair. You can use shine and jam, extreme wet line gel. Depends on whatever works for your hair to enhance your coils. Then you could also use this twist and lock gel. Try if you want to twist your hair, you can use it too. Another type of gel is got to be glued. And got to be glued is a strong gel like Gorilla Snot or Gorilla Glue and some other gels. If you want your hair to slick down, firm and hold and last, use got to be glued or Gorilla Snot. Those are like styling gels for like straight styles. And another thing is your edge control. It's what you used to lay your edges. I wear my bonnet because you can call it your hair wax. The reason why you call it hair wax because of it's going to be thick, like a thick consistency, so it's going to lay down your edges flat. This doesn't lay my edges all day. What lays my edges all day is hold up, is this doesn't lay my edges all day. This is what lays my edges. You have to try it out for yourself and see what lays your edges. I have a video about laying your edges though, if you want to learn how to lay your edges.
That's it. I'm not leaving here until I get you all to like me.
Well,
Next thing you should have is your hair oil. Go Organic sent me this hair oil. I wanted to get hair oil at the market, but I did not get it anyway because if I got it, I won't use this. And I don't like having, I'm not a product junkie. There are some products there that I threw out because they did not work for my hair. What's the essence of having things that will expire and you are just hoarding things and taking up space in your life? But other than this oil, I use coconut oil. This oil has olive oil, castor oil, almond oil, lavender, fenugreek extract, jojoba oil, and they are good for hair growth. The reason why you need a hair oil is because of you need to seal up the moisture. I'm always talking about LCO and LOC. I keep on ranting about LCO and LOC today. This video is going to be long. Make sure you check out my hair growth challenge. If you haven't already, make sure you hop on the challenge. You need a hair growth oil. Just start from the kitchen. Start with olive oil. Your oil or your hair pomade. Your hair pomade is thicker in consistency, so it's going to be like a conditioner kind of form, unlike your oil that is more watery, like creamy form. The reason why I'll suggest you have both hair cream and oil is because of if you want to make an African hairstyle, you will need a pomade to pat your hair, to give your hairdresser to pat your hair. But other than that, you can use shine and jam to pat your hair if you don't want to use oil. If you're high porosity, use oil to pat your hair, not shine and jam, because your cuticles are very open. If you finish washing your hair, before you wear your wigs, before you style your hair out, if you are wearing only your hair out, you should use a hair oil on your scalp and massage it to promote hair growth.
I saw that. Saw what? I'm not sure what I saw, but I saw that.
Hair dye. I don't have any hair dye with me currently at home because my African mother would not allow me to dye my hair anytime soon. But I'm planning to get a color wax. A color wax is a temporary hair dye. It's just like wax, but this time it has coloring. It's not going to remain permanent. You can wash it off. Just like the way dye, when you dye your hair, the color ceases and reduces, like the color changes. That's where the color will change when you keep your hair wax on your hair.
I can do is just completely come clean and finally tell her I'm a wizard.
This is just black dye shampoo. This video is just dedicated to products, but if you want me to do a video about tools that you need to buy if you are starting your natural hair journey, please tell me. I'm still going to go to a supermarket. Maybe I'll try ShopRite, but ShopRite doesn't always have the products I want to buy, but we will see. I'll still go to a supermarket. A big shout out to all of you guys. My brother got me this tripod I'm using to video this right now, and I'm saving for a camera and a laptop. Please, if you want to donate, link is in the description, but I really need to get a laptop. Thank you so much. So check out this video because you will need to learn tools you need to start your natural hair journey. If I haven't dropped it already, make sure you subscribe. It'll be coming out soon.